Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today you and I together will be making eggs for a crowd. This is what you'll be needing: eggs, coconut milk, cheese, fresh herbs, some butter for your muffin tin, and then salt and pepper to taste. We'll also be adding other ingredients because this is one of the most versatile recipes around. We'll start by just greasing our muffin tin, and then we will simply crack one egg in each little compartment of your muffin tin. So that's pretty simple, just eggs in the muffin tin. We will go ahead and add a tablespoon of coconut milk. If you do tolerate dairy, you can use cream or milk. That is pretty much the base. Next, we'll accessorize with flavors. Eggs are the perfect protein, and because variety is the spice of life, I have a couple different options for you guys. So there's two different ways I love to do these. There's a million different ways to do this, but one of them is kind of a Mexican style from Texas, so we like that. We do black beans and a little bit of pico de gallo, just a little sprinkle in each muffin tin, top it with a little bit of cheese. Cheese is always optional. Pecorino Romano is a cheese that you can use in that first phase. So one of my favorites is to chop some tomatoes, add some fresh basil, and pecorino, little bit in each one of these muffin tins. Bake as the recipe calls for, and just like that, your breakfast is ready.